Natural Hair Rejuvenator. Hydrates damaged hair. Infuses hair with vitamins. Restores hair condition. Product description. Lightweight, quick-absorbing blend of oils, specifically formulated to rejuvenate and moisturize dull, damaged hair. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, this luxurious oil blend instantly smooths hair for healthy-looking styles with incredibly shine and movement. Brand story. Farouk Systems, Inc. is a Houston-based company of hairdressers for hairdressers, known for manufacturing high-quality professional haircare products under the industry-leading brands Kai, BioSilk, and SunGlitz. Top reviews from the United States. Great for curly hair. My daughter has curly and thick hair. Her hair is coarse in one area and soft in others. This Kai product does the trick. I shampoo and condition her hair, brush through the condition and leave it on her hair for several minutes during bath time. After bath, I put on the oil and comb through again. I would love to use Kai leave-in condition beforw the oil.